So we can have a cube follow a curve, but let's say we want to have the cube be deformed by the curve. That's slightly different. So we're going to exit out of this one. So we're going to delete this constraint. We're going to just click exit. And instead of a constraint, we're going to go to modifier. Click add a modifier. And we can see a deform. So underneath deform, there is a curve. And we're going to select the curve. So now if I do, let's say, gx, we can see that the cube is being deformed by the curve. Now you might be wondering, why would I want this? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a bit smaller. So I'm going to do S, scale it down a little bit, and I'm going to add an array. So I'm going to click on array. Let's do 10. And if you remember, order matters for the modifiers and also the constraints as well. So we're going to have the array before the curve. And what's really cool about this now is now we can create an object based off of the curve. So this just gives you another way in order to model stuff. So instead of having to deal with the vertices, so let's go to edit mode. Now I can just change the curve to whatever I want in order to have it fit. Let's just have this go down a little bit.